You get to see all kinds of people come out that you didn't even know existed, and you get to hear more than just singing. And like that's what Idol is for people who just want to sing. But now we get to have a whole wide range of talent.
Yeah, it's promoting involvement on campus. It's promoting the unity on campus, and the whole thing is just about being proactive. Like it came out of an idea of me wanting to see a talent show, and then I just made it happen. So that's the main thing that I promote is just being proactive on campus and getting involved.
Just have a good time. Like just let it go, and you're up there for a reason because you're awesome. And just do your thing.
This is an opportunity for students to get to show their talents that normally they wouldn't get to, and get to be proud of something.
Here at Edinboro University, the Best of the Borough Talent Show isn't just a talent show, it's the talent show, where students can come out and perform and show, well, talents that we might not know about. Put on by Res Life, Multicultural Student Affairs, and the mastermind himself, Marvin DeBose.
The reason why I'm doing Best of the Borough is 3 years ago I wanted to see a campus-wide talent show, and a lot of the talent shows on campus were really small. It was just like small groups and different organizations, whereas I wanted this one to be a big thing. I wanted this to be a tradition. So, and it just comes out of my love for the performing arts, really.
Are you interested in signing up for the Best of the Borough? You can now send a video no longer than 5 minutes along with your name, phone number, and student ID number to thebestoftheborough@yahoo.com. Deadline is at April 21st at 6 p.m. And don't forget to come out and support the 3rd annual Best of the Borough Talent Show, April 26th at 8 p.m. in Cole Auditorium.